So here we are at London Excel. It's the great big huge exhibition centre right near the Docklands, and our stand has just opened, the show has just opened. With a place in the sun, you can see properties from all different countries. We're based here in the French Village. We have a large stand with all different areas across France, featuring some of our really lovely properties. We've got agents on the stand from all areas, so if you're interested in buying in France and you want some more information, the Place in the Sun show is a perfect place to come because we do have agents that can give you advice. We also have Tracy Leonetti, who's our visa expert on the stand. So if you're looking at what type of visa, how to relocate to France, again, Tracy's on our stand. There's just a wealth of information here. There's seminars running every hour, which will give you information on tax, property tips, healthcare, insurance. So it's a great place to come. So I'm going to get back to the stand now and chat to some lovely clients. So this is Tracy Leonetti from LVS, who's working on our stand today with us. She's a great partner. She's on all our webinars as well. And Tracy looks after relocation and the most topical thing of the day, visas. So Tracy, do you want to tell everyone what you do?
Absolutely, Jo. Thanks so much. We're having a fabulous day today. It's been a great weekend so far. My name's Tracy Leonetti. I'm on the webinars every month with Leggett and with Jo and the whole partners and all the team. Really, it's a great place to come to talk about visas for me, visas, healthcare, driving licenses, car registrations. Really what we do is take you from the step of we'd like to move to France to make it concrete for you. So coming here is really the great place to meet all of the partners and really make your plan, move straight through to the end and get you into France ready to live your best life, really. Hey, Jets.
It's great.
You want to get answers to your questions about which type of visa, will it happen? You want to buy your property, but you also want to make sure you get your paperwork in place so we can get all the answers to you.
Yeah, so we're really lucky to have Tracy on the stand with us, and obviously watch our webinars every month because she's also on there giving some great advice.
Absolutely. We're looking forward to seeing you on the webinar.
Yeah. See you soon. Now, although we're in London, we also have everyone is a French speaker on the stand, but I'm going to introduce you to my French colleague and our head of marketing, Nico Sardin. So follow me. And so here is Nico Sardin. Bonjour, Nico.
Bonjour, merci Jo. Bonjour, on est donc sur Place in the Sun. Comme vous pouvez le voir, c'est complètement rempli, blindé depuis ce matin. Il y avait même la queue pour rentrer. Donc, sur le stand, comme vous pouvez le voir, on a une centaine de biens à vendre en France qu'on met en avant. Mais on peut retrouver aussi sur nos magazines et nos gentils clients repartent avec des petits sacs et des petits goodies sur le stand à Londres, aujourd'hui Place in the Sun.
So I'd like to introduce you to Lorraine, who's on our stand as well. Lorraine is head of our recruitment at head office in the Dordogne, but she's come especially to the show this weekend to talk to people about working with Leggett. So how's it been going today, Lorraine, and what can people find out from you?
Absolutely brilliant. It's a really busy show. The shows are always very, very popular, not only with people wanting to buy holiday homes, but also people that want to move permanently to France. And the age group is such that they're not ready to retire. So there's a great opportunity for anybody, any nationality, wanting to join Leggett Immobilier and become an agent. It's a passion for property, it's a passion for the country, and this is a great place for us to be that discuss job opportunities.
So as you can see behind me, here's the hub. This is a massive show. There'll probably be around 6,000 to 8,000 people visiting the show. And as you can see behind me, the hub, another area of information. And the TV presenters from A Place in the Sun themselves will be presenting on the stage today later on. And luckily tomorrow, we're going to meet Jasmine Harman on our own stand. But have a look at the amount of people that are here today. All day long, right in front of our stand, is actually the seminar session room in the French Village. And what this means is that you can come and listen to different seminars from different companies all day long. So I've got one this afternoon at 1:45, but here at the moment is on law and solicitors. There's experts on tax, there's experts on visas, there's experts on healthcare. So really you get all the information you need at this show. And you can see all the people behind me at the moment listening in to the legal advice that the panel is giving for the French Village. And I'll be on there myself later on today.
Can you give us a few of your top tips for house hunting and buying in France? Jo, can we start with you?
I would firstly say probably the location is the most important. How many of you are holiday homes, just out of interest? And how many permanents? Probably more permanents. So it's quite important for you to look at the winter months.
So we're very excited on the Leggett stand at the moment because we have Jasmine Harman, who's currently presenting over in the hub, coming to our stand to have a little chat about France. So we're going to be welcoming her here in about 5 minutes' time. We're lucky enough today to have Jasmine Harman, presenter of A Place in the Sun, who's on our stand today. And Jasmine, you've been to France quite a lot of times with clients.
Anytime. Well, with clients and visiting family. My brother lives in France, and family holidays. Yeah, loads of time.
And do you have any specific favourite area?
Oh, there's so many. I mean, most recently I visited where my brother lives, which is close to the city of Albi.
Right, lovely.
Which is a new one for me, and it's beautiful. And it's very funny because my son is called Albi as well, so he had a great time visiting the cathedral. I really love La Rochelle. Is one of the places that I fell in love with when I was filming there as well. But there are so many beautiful parts of France.
Yeah, exactly. And also we're here at the show. So what does clients come to ask for at the show, or why would they be really worth coming to one of these Place in the Sun shows?
I mean, it is just the perfect platform from which to start your property journey.
Yeah.
So even for myself, now having just recently moved abroad about a year and a half ago, you know, to find not just real estate agents, but to get all the advice that you might need about your finances and about immigration and about, you know, removal companies and mortgages, you know, the whole thing is here. And so it's just, if you know, whether you're at the start of the journey or whether you're a bit further along the process, to have access to so many experts and people who actually live and breathe
exactly
and the area that you want to go to and tell you the lowdown from the horse's mouth. I think it's invaluable.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And there's all different countries here at Place in the Sun. We're here in the French Village today, so everything that you need to know on France is here in the French Village. And thank you so much for coming to see us, and hopefully we might get you a house here in France at some stage.
One day. My brother's arriving tonight from France, coming over to visit us in Spain.
There we go. Well, we might see him later on. All right. Thanks ever so much for coming to see us.